I cleaned up the inside of the van, man. I welded in a seat, ain't that neat? Groove to the beat. See, I be welding inside and melting, metal melting, spark shower, 19.5 amps of power, exploding, unloading steel, how's that feel? Yeah, buddy, I love to fix things, I just needed to teach myself. Weld in the seat to make sure it is safe to ride inside, gotta slide into a something more comfortable. Don't trip, don't stumble, pad the floor, bitches be tripping. I be ripping bongs and building, here I go, man. We are skating the fuck out, time to duck out, time to leave. We look what I made, baby. Maybe you could value me? Groove to the beat, yeah, groove to the sound, man. Putting tracks down, homie, now go just leave.
Yeah. Yeah, I got sparks on my sleeves, I got grease on my jeans. Cut the clean seam, then I ride with the dreams. Frame from the scratch pile, bike built lean. Chrome in the sun, yeah, you know what I mean. Bend that bar, make the whole thing glide. True on the wheel, then I pull up proud. Package in the bag, got the route locked down. Front wheel hum, then I'm gone from town. From the shop to the block, never miss the clock. Hands stay busy, yeah, I don't stop. Torch the cockpit, I do it all. Torch the cockpit, I never fall. Bike frame fresh and the weld stay tight. FFA stamped and I'm up all night. Torch the cockpit, I do it all. Torch the cockpit, I hit the call. Drop that load and I take that flight. 4 jobs deep and I'm built alright. Custom bars for the kid in the corner store. Low slung ride, now they asking for more. I lace that chain, make the color pop. Drop one off, build every detail lock. Then I hit the road with the bag on back. Shortcut mine, but I keep on track. Rain or shine, I'm on that run. Same 2 hands, make the whole day stun. From the shop to the block, never miss the clock. Hands stay busy, yeah, I don't stop. Torch the cockpit, I do it all. Torch the cockpit, I never fall. Bike frame fresh and the weld stay tight. FFA stamped and I'm up all night. Torch the cockpit, I do it all. Torch the cockpit, I hear the call. Drop that load, then I take that flight. 4 jobs deep and I'm built alright. Check the sheet, check the sky. 1 life, 4 ways I move it right. If the day gets heavy, I still rise. Still in my grip, clear view in my eye. Torch the cockpit, I do it all. Torch the cockpit, I never fall. Bike frame fresh and the weld stay tight. FFA stamped and I'm up all night. Torch the cockpit, I do it all. Torch the cockpit, I hit the call. Drop that load, then I take that flight. 4 jobs deep and I'm built alright.
Hey, listen, I know I never answered back, but you're all I've thought about. The only girl I think about. I may stand back and steal glances, ruining all my chances. I may not do well under pressure to amuse you. I knew I was gonna lose and never have you. You were just a memory in the tank, the girl of my dreams deposited at the bank, left to drown in the tank. without the air so crystal clear. I know who I am. I'm doing the best I can. Would you take me back? Hey, listen, I know I never answered back, but you're all I've thought about. The only girl I think about, the only one I have no doubt I'll lose again. The words won't come out. I love you.
Okay, so I took the seatbelt off the jump seat and I installed it on the Chrysler. Let me see if I can keep the light on. I took the seatbelt off the jump seat and I installed it on the Chrysler SXT. So I've got the Mini ITX PC in here. And I've got a DVD drive. I gotta wire all this shit in. And of course I got my little movie thing. Everybody's gonna be happy. Keep everybody happy. I got the Redbox movies. Yeah, pretty cool. Pretty sweet.
I built an old people transport mobile. We're gonna see the sights. If I had a chance to see you, that would be nice. Hey, if you look to your left, you'll see nothing there. Wish we were there. Are we there yet? Headed down the coast. The south needs us most. It's too warm, but we're going anyway. If you come down to North Carolina, or maybe Tennessee, or maybe Alaska is where you'll find me. You won't find me, but only because you stop looking.